After 13 years of experience in different business fields, fashion, automotive, aerospace, tourism, we are able to offer customized solutions for every single need. For example, in these weeks, in our headquarters in Lecce, in south of Italy, we are dedicating our efforts to social innovation. In fact, we are developing an innovative product to improve cleaning and washing processes for persons with disabilities in order to provide to healthcare residences, public and private hospitals, but also to families that assist a family member at home, a simpler way to do it. In the meantime, we are engineering the processes of 3 companies in different sectors: logistics, tourism and manufacturing. Our team of professional consultants is always focused on continuous improvement. For this reason, we also love to offer training and education to employees of companies that decide to cultivate a lean management approach within their teams. We are always ready to do more than our best to support you.
E allora se